Mzansi Urban Radio, the Southern Urban Experience, coming to you on www.mzansiurban.com.
I am part of this initiative. It is a great initiative to Tshwane, and I'm so happy to be part of it.
Lovely, lovely. And you know, you have people, young artists that have joined you on stage, shared the stage with you. Some of them is the first time on this big stage. How does that make you feel as such a renowned artist?
Well, it is an honor. In fact, you know, we are supposed to be, if we are called legends, and you cannot be a legend when you are not going to leave a legacy behind. And I believe that, you know, especially in the gospel, it's not about competition. It's all about complementing one another. You know, we are preaching one message, and we've got different gifts. And I think it's always good to give even the up and coming. I wouldn't call them up and coming. I would actually call them young, the young ones who are actually coming, and for them to know how it is to actually be with those that God is already using, and that they may learn even from us, even though we are still learning too. You know, because you don't stop learning.
True,
and so,
true.
but it's a good thing to actually bring the young ones and let them share the stage with those that have been there for some time, so that one, they may learn, and secondly, they may have the experience, you know, just to share the stage with us. And I believe that's what God wants. He wants us to actually usher people to their God-ordained destinies.
Definitely, definitely. One of the very important character building is that being a steward, you know, for people to follow behind you, because you cannot be a leader if you don't have followers.
Exactly.
And it's such an amazing experience.
Very true.
You were named the most influential person. I mean, with integrity, integrity. So it's not just influence, but it's also integrity that a lot of people really lack that in the industry. I mean, what a title, you know?
Well, it's a challenge, you know, because it comes with a lot of responsibility. So many people are looking up to you, and you cannot let them down. You know, and that's what actually keeps me so much awake and praying to God, help me, Lord, not to falter, because if I do, I know there's so many people that are going to actually collapse, and they would lose their faith in you because of me. And it comes with a lot of responsibility, but I'm so grateful and I'm so humbled, you know, when I hear such accolades. And of course, I always pray to God, you know, that I may actually influence more people through the life that I live, not just the music that I do.
Thank you so much. We'd just like you to link us out.
Well, it is a great honor. This is Pastor Benjamin at Mzansi Urban Radio. And I'm so glad to be part of it. Keep listening, for this is the radio station, and God will bless you.
Radio, the Southern Urban Experience, coming to you on www.mzansiurban.com.